Okay, first I'm going to open the machine, and then I'm going to undo this little gray piece right here, and that will loosen the casing for the blade. When you push it, you can see it kind of pops out like that. Now I'll get the new blade. You can get these blades on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description for these blades if you need to get some. And these come with a little protective case, and you just take that case off. I'm going to set the blade down here, and then I'll push the old blade up, and I'll kind of capture it with a protective cover from the new blade. Then I'll take that blade out and get my new blade back and put that back in the cover. I'll get the casing, and I'm just going to push it forward like I did before, and it should kind of grasp onto it. It looks like it didn't do that, so I'm going to push it again, kind of push it back in there, and now it's got it. So that little tiny bit sticking out is what you're looking for. Now I'll put that case on the old blade and get rid of that. Then I can put the casing back in my machine and lock it in place, and then close the cover. And that's it. Alright, if this video was helpful for you and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!